Hi guys, if you want to change a screen refresh rate on Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To change the screen refresh rate, first of all right click on the start button and then go to settings. On the settings, go to system and then click on display. And on the display settings, scroll down and click on advanced display. And now under the display information, here you will be able to see choose a refresh rate option. And to change the refresh rate, simply click here. And now from here, you can select the screen refresh rate which you want on your system. Here you can see right now, I'm using 144 Hz. If you want to decrease the refresh rate, let's say you want to select the 60 Hz. So simply click on it. And from this confirmation option, click on keep changes option. And your refresh rate will be changed. You can see. And in case, if you want to increase the refresh rate, again click on it. And from here, select any higher refresh rate. Let's say you want to select the 120. So select the 120 Hz. And then click on keep changes button. And the refresh rate will be changed. I want to keep my screen refresh rate highest. So I'll simply click on it and select the highest value, 144 Hz. And then click on keep changes button. And the refresh rate will be changed. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily change a screen refresh rate on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.